We are all in the last day of 2021. That has been a very hardest year for many of us. We have gone through a lot of things this year, but we have survived. We are breathing today, we are alive. That means we have some purpose for our life, right? So I'm very glad to teach you all one of my favorite meditation. Okay, this meditation is called forgiveness meditation. Today, as we are in the last day of the year, I want us all to put off our burdens, leave off our past very easily. This meditation will ease you from inside. It will make you more relaxed, peaceful, and be happy. So what is all this meditation about and how to do it? Sit down in a very comfortable position, whichever is very comfortable to you. When you start doing this meditation, you will obviously get all the people who have cheated you from the past, who have fooled you around, used you, hurted you badly. Okay, you get all these incidents within you. So start forgiving each and every one that comes up in your mind. Okay, start forgiving, let it keep on popping up. Start forgiving. Sit in a very comfortable place, very calm place, like where you don't get any disturbance from anyone. Okay, even though some people may even start feel like crying, it is okay. It is just keep letting out all the negative and stressful things that is inside you. Okay, so if you are not very comfortable only forgiving from your mind, take a piece of paper, write down all the people you're angry about or the emotion that trigger you most. Okay, read out their name, start forgiving them. It is okay. And once you start forgiving everyone, lastly maybe you'll get a guilt feeling, even like you have done all these mistakes. Your own mind brings you up as a person, like you have done a wrong to this person, you have hurted this person. It will automatically bring you also. So forgive yourself too, because we are all humans after all. We are not robots. We have emotions. Knowingly or unknowingly, we obviously hurt people around us, or we tend to cheat a few people. So this all stores up in our mind. So it is very essential to forgive, so and let go of things. When you carry a lot of baggage back of you, you can't see what is ahead very clearly. You can't enjoy the sunshine. So you have to lift up your head to see anything, right? So when we have the option of letting it go, when we can clear our mind, why not we do it? So forgive everyone. After all, we are all humans. It is very common to make mistake. It is very common to hurt few people. It's okay, forgive. This will let all the stress within you, all the emotional burdens you carry within you, so it will start easing you up and let you free. Okay, when you start letting it free, when you start letting it go, you can enjoy the present and you can bring the positive within you. When you hold lot of negativity, lot of emotional burst, it is hard to move ahead in life. So okay, it is okay, because we are all humans. It is very common to make mistakes, and it is common to get hurt. Okay, so let us not be very intentional or personal. So forgive each and every one that comes to your mind. Forgive everything. Be sorry for everyone you have hurt. So forgive yourself too. And once you are done this meditation, you will start feeling light by yourself. Okay, if you are a beginner, just do it for 10 to 20 minutes. That is enough. And let this year end up with all the bad things that was around us. So let us forgive everyone around us, forgive ourselves. This forgiveness meditation will make your heart very, very, very light. So I wish each one of you do this. Okay, and let's start a new year with a new positive thought. So it is very essential to forgive everyone and everything. Keep it light, keep it calm, keep it peaceful. Okay, until next video, it's me Deepa Shivakalai signing off. Take care.